రోజు ఉదయం 7 గంటలకు సిఆర్పీఎఫ్ ట్రోలింగ్ లో భాగంగా చెర్లలో ఇద్దరు అనుమానాస్పదంగా ఉండగా అదుపులోకి తీసుకోవడం జరిగిందని వారిని విచారణ చేయగా ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ కు చెందిన ఇంద్రావతి దళానికి చెందిన ఇద్దరు మావోయిస్టు, ఒకరు పద్దం ముని, మరొకరు జర్పుల బండిగా గుర్తించడం జరిగిందని ఎస్పీ సునీల్ దత్ వెల్లడించారు. వారి వద్ద విప్లవ సాహిత్యాలు 50, జిల్టన్ స్టిక్ 50, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ డిటోనేటర్స్ మరియు కేబుల్ స్వాధీనం చేసుకోవడం జరిగిందని, వీరు మొదట్లో కొన్ని రకాల మందుగుండ్లు సామాగ్రి మరియు ఆయుధాలను సరఫరా చేస్తున్నట్టు తెలిసిందని అన్నారు. వీరిపై ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ ప్రభుత్వం 5 లక్షల రివార్డు ప్రకటించిందని అన్నారు.
Okay, start it now. Okay. Good afternoon all. Today, early hours 7 o'clock, Kerala Police, along with 141 Battalion CRPF, were conducting patrolling in Kerala area. Near bus stand, they found these two persons, suspected persons. They inquired from them. In inquiry, it is found that both of them are linked to Maoist party. Among them, this one lady, Paddam Munni, alias Tellam Munni, alias Raghu, alias Raje, alias Nirmala. She is a area committee member, ACM rank of Indravati area, Dandakaranya, Chhattisgarh. She is wife of Rahul, who is DVCM, Kadar, Chhattisgarh. She is native of Gangaluru of Bijapur district, Chhattisgarh. Other person is Jarpula Bansi, who is a civil contractor in Avapalli of Bijapur district. He is working as a courier for Maoist party and is regularly in touch with them. From their possession, 50 electric detonators, 50 gelatin sticks, and Maoist literature, revolutionary literature was also seized. On further inquiry and interrogation, Paddam Munni, alias Tellam Munni, Nirmala, she has revealed that she joined Maoist party, which is a banned organization, in the year of 2011. Since then, she has taken up various responsibility in the Maoist party. She has worked in Madhed area committee and then Krantikari Mahila Sangam of Dandakaranya. She worked as a ACM cadre. Since 2018, she has been ACM in the KMS of Indravati committee. She would visit many villages in Chhattisgarh area, in that her Indravati committee area, and motivate tribals to join Maoist party and wage war against the state. Other person, Jarpula Bansi, who is a contractor, has been working as a courier for Nagesh, who is LGS commander of Madhed area. He would regularly provide them help by supplying the groceries, explosives, medicines and other items. He was in a way regularly a part of the Maoist party network, which is working in urban area and rural area to ensuring their supplies and explosive to them. So both of them, when they were going back to Avapalli area, they were apprehended along with this electrical detonators, gelatin sticks and revolutionary literature. Case under UAPA Act has been registered against them in Kerala police station, and today they will be produced to the court.